Hello, and welcome to the SimpleFX video tutorial. In this video, I will show you how to modify, open, and pending orders. First, let's modify an open order. Go to My Trades section. Choose an order. And press the Modify button. Now you can change Take Profit, also known as Close at Profit. And Stop Loss, also known as Close at Loss. Change the desired parameters, and press Modify to save the changes. Now let's modify a pending order. Go to My Trades section, and choose the Pending Orders list. Select an order you want to modify, and press the Modify button. Here you can change an activation price. It is a price level on which your order will be activated. Expiry time, which is a time when your order will be cancelled if not executed. As well as Take Profit. And Stop Loss levels. Press Modify to save your changes. Now you can easily modify orders in the SimpleFX app. Watch more tutorials for an in-depth look at trading features. Have a good day, and a good trade.